Hi, my name is Corey Biazzo, and I'm a practicing American business and civil litigation attorney. If you're looking at setting up a U.S. operation of your business that is currently located outside of the United States, you may be wondering, how can you do that and avoid the infamous American lawsuits? In short, there is no way to fully insulate yourself from litigation. However, you can retain a U.S. lawyer to help minimize your exposure and put protections in place in the event that your business gets sued. The best way to avoid lawsuits is to do what is required in your contracts, deliver what you promise, and maintain nice relationships with the parties you conduct business with. Even after doing all that, you might still get sued. One of the best things you can do is have legal protection with contracts that are written by and negotiated by a seasoned U.S. lawyer. Do not use your contracts that you use in your home country. If you want to use contracts written by non-U.S. lawyers, you should at a minimum have a U.S. seasoned lawyer evaluate and potentially modify the contracts to provide your company with the highest potential level of security in the American legal system. A non-U.S. lawyer, as skilled as they may be, will not be familiar with all of the American legal nuances and how your contracts may be viewed in a U.S. court. Oftentimes, foreign lawyers may miss some words or phrases that can significantly affect where or how or on what grounds a lawsuit can be brought, among other factors. You also need to make sure you coordinate with a U.S. lawyer to make sure you have adequate insurance coverage for your business. Different businesses have different potential liabilities and thus different potential insurance requirements to fully insulate themselves, as much as possible at least. Issues can arise where insurance purchased in the U.S. does not protect a foreign parent company. Finally, you will likely need to strategically choose a proper U.S. corporate structure for liability protection and to minimize tax exposure. Seek the advice of American counsel today before you start your U.S. operation today. Contact Biazzo Law today for your free consultation and check us out at www.biazzolaw.com. Thank you.